evening, good afternoon, wherever you are watching me from. So I'm Marjame, a forex trader and a vlogger also. So kindly subscribe to my channel if you are coming across for the first time. Like the stream and comment also on any of my videos what you think about them. Let me know and share also. So I'm preparing to take some trades here. I'm going to analyze the market here. So kindly subscribe to the channel if you are coming across as we begin the day. So today being a Friday, the market is going to close. But once it closes, even we shall be trading also synthetics, that is from the dairy broker volatilities. So just kindly subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so kindly subscribe to my channel and comment what you think about the videos. So as I prepare to take some trades, I'm going to be showing the screen and yeah, I'm going to be showing what I'm doing here on the screen. So kindly subscribe to the channel. Yeah. Let me first look for a good setup, then I'll show you guys. Let me first look for a good setup, then I'll show you. Like the stream, comment and like and share also. Share the stream, subscribe to the channel. Yeah. So that is 15 minutes time frame. Let's see from 1 hour time frame what is there. So this was the pair we analyzed yesterday. Kindly like the stream. I'm going to be showing the screen and what I'm doing also. Let me first check on some. I'm first looking for a good setup, then I'll show you guys what I'm going to analyze. Just kindly subscribe and like the stream. So yesterday was open out. So this was 25. Cancel. Guys, like the stream if you are watching me and subscribe also. So this is what I'm going to analyze. Let me show you. So this is what I'm analyzing right now. I want to look for some trades on gold. Yeah, so let me first finish, then I'll show you guys. Let me first finish, then I'll show you. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So I'm setting up this. As you see, I was setting up the webcam. So I'm about to begin. So subscribe to the channel and like this. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. I'm analyzing gold here. From the 1 day time frame, that is 24 hours, I'm seeing an uptrend. So it's what I'm trying to analyze in order to take some trades. So expectation is a pullback then to this, or a pullback, or like the stream and subscribe to the channel. No single like yet, I don't know why. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So from this pullback we shall, let me show you what I'm doing. So I'm planning to take some trades here. Gold, this is gold. 1 day time frame. So I'm trying to analyze going to the lower time frame. Now from here we shall go to 4 hours time frame. As you see also still this, so we are just waiting for a pullback to the zone. This is our zone, which is going to act as the support zone. Now this is going to act as our resistance. As you see what was happening here, let me show you. You see what was happening? These are double tops or the equal highs in this scenario. So as you see what was happening here, a rejection, meaning we shall come to the support and then it goes back, meaning our rejection might be here. Let's say it can even be around here, around there, or here. Anywhere here it can happen as long as there is consolidation. What do I mean by consolidation? It's where there's no movement in the market like here. Where there's no movement in the market like here. This was a consolidation, or the market was ranging around here, around this area. That is what I mean by it. Let me first analyze, then I'll show you guys the outcome later. Or the entry, I'm just going to share with you guys the entry. So like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So that is what we saw in 4 hours time frame. 30 minutes. From our 30 minutes, then we shall as you guys see, the trend is changing. Once we go lower, then the trend changes. You see what is happening. This is different from the 4 hours time frame that we saw. Now this is 30 minutes. So as the time frame changes, the trend changes in some cases, but it doesn't change all the time. So that is what we are simply seeing here. Guys, like the stream and subscribe to my channel. So let's continue with our trade that we were analyzing. So kindly subscribe to the channel and like the stream, guys. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. So as I was analyzing the gold, that is XA USD, USD. Yeah. So guys, make sure you have subscribed to the channel and like the stream. I'm not seeing any like there. So from gold we can analyze using either the trend line, or you see, we can either use a trend line or demand, if you know how to demand and supply. So now it depends on the strategy that you use. So for me, I can either use the trend line or demand and supply. Once I talk of demand, this is what I mean. This can be our demand zone. So I'm back on, guys. There are some things coming up, so it's why I appear and disappear. So you see, I want to, let's see, which pair should I analyze? Okay, what you guys tell me the pair that I should analyze for you. What pair should I analyze for you? Let me know the pair that you analyze for you. Which pair? My network here is bad. So which pair do you guys want me to analyze for you? So from this, let's check on. So this was one of my trades. Let's see. Yeah, it did not hit the stop loss. So you guys see this. So let's just analyze this same pair. From here, we can approach the market in two ways. That is using the demand or the trend line strategy. So here, let's just use the trend line. So for your trend line to be valid, that should be having 3 touches. Let's say this is the wick, so you just drag it to this. So that is our first trend line. That is our first trend line. So you just copy this same thing and drag here. So this was our high. So you don't need to force it. So that is our high now. I'm going to use the trend line to analyze all this. So I'm going to use the trend line to analyze until the entry zone. So this is the first touch of the market. First, second. So what are we waiting for here in order to buy? So in order to buy in this kind of market, we are waiting for the third touch to happen. It can either happen this side from here. Let's say it pulls back. The market pulls back from here. So this is the area that we are going to buy from. From the third touch, we buy using the trend line strategy. Then we can buy targeting this. And this, if it resists or if it breaks, we just continue with our buys like here. This is what I mean by it. But if that doesn't happen, then this can also happen. Let's say it comes, then this is what is going to happen. Then it breaks this and it makes a retest. So those are the things that can. Now we just need to go lower. This is to 4 hours time frame now. We go to 4 hours time frame. We see if that same thing is going to happen. So as you see, this is what I was saying. So in order for this market to buy, We are waiting for this order to be filled, or this gap here to be filled. You see this gap? So this is what we are waiting for it to pull back. To pull back, meaning this is going to be filled now. This gap is going to be filled, and then buyers can enter from here. So have you guys seen that from day one, which was this? From day one, which is 24 hours, we had seen that we are looking for buys, which is happening in 4 hours time frame also still. So in order to get to our entry now, we have to go lower again, which is 1 hour, and we see if the same trend is still continuing. Now we have to go to 1 hour. From day 1 to 4 hours to 1 hour now. So in 1 hour, this is what we see still. And when we are to draw our trend line, if you are to draw our trend line, I want you guys to first see clearly that. Guys, like the stream, subscribe and share, please. Like the stream, subscribe and share. And thanks to those that are doing it. So once we draw our trend lines also still, this can be our touch, which is the high of this kind of market. This is the high, so it's going to act as our first touch. Don't drag it here. Don't drag it here. You have to draw the trend line correctly. Drag it as you see. This is the correct way that you can draw your trend line. In order to save your time, just clone this and bring it down here. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel, like the stream, and comment on any of my videos. Let me know what you think about them. So as you see, this is the inner trend line also. This is our inner trend line, which is the same thing. This is going to act as our zone now. This is going to act as our zone. Let's say this is the resistance zone. Then this is our support zone. So any area that you are expecting resistance, that is going to act as your resistance either or the support. So it depends. But in this case, we are waiting for this area. This is our interest. We are looking at this. This is what we are eyeing. This is what we are eyeing. Just to be filled, then the sure buy for you. Once that is filled, then it's a sure buy. So let me remove all this that I have drawn. So we are still waiting for this gap. So that is our buy still, which we are still seeing from the higher time frame to this. That is still the same thing. Now let's go to 15 minutes and we get our entry from there. Now we have to go to 15 minutes and get our entry zone. So just go to 15. You can even enter from 15, 5 minutes, 1 minute. It depends on the kind of trader you are. Yes. We can even draw here many more trend lines. Let's say this is, you can either draw this, which is going to act also. Meaning this is going to be you will be trading now a break and retest. So this can be a sure trade for you also, if you are to draw this kind of trend lines also. Are you guys seeing? So here we can wait for a retest also and we go for sales. The same thing. Wait for a retest from here. Then you sell targeting this zone. And that is, if we are shorting it, we have to short. If you are to short it, targeting this zone. Guys, like my stream, subscribe, and comment. Or tell me what you think about this kind of trade that I'm giving. tell me what you think about this. So these are the minor trend lines or the inner trend lines. This is our major trend line, this. So from here we can scalp just from this minute. From 15 minutes we can just scalp. So that is the signal, guys. That is the signal. Like the stream, subscribe and comment on any of my videos. Like the stream, comment on any of my videos. So which pair should I analyze for you guys? Which pair should I analyze for you? Let me know the pair you need me to analyze for you. What pair should I analyze for you? Let's check on gold. Let's see gold, how it is doing. So as usual, we begin from 24 hours time frame. Yeah, thank you for liking the stream. Thanks for the stream. So this is gold also. This is gold. Let's see, get a clear view of the market. Let's get a clear view of the market. So from 24 hours time frame, this is what we are seeing. We are seeing a clear uptrend. What do I mean by an uptrend? This is it. As you see, this is a low. So that is a low. This is a high. Lower high also for the channel. So that is a lower high. Lower low here. How much did you make in dollar yesterday? So it depends on the account size I was trading. But yesterday I was trading synthetics mainly. So it depends on your account size. But tomorrow being a weekend, or today, yeah, as the weekend is beginning, so expect me to be trading synthetics, that is derivative. And my major pair on derivative is volatility 25 or 75 also, it's okay. Okay, that's important message. Guys, subscribe to the channel, like the stream. Subscribe to the channel and like the stream. Let's check on volatility 25. 25. So this is the pair I'm going to look at right now. I'm going to look at, let's see which pair. So this is volatility to 75. This is a powerful pair or instrument. I hope you guys are seeing all this. So from here, okay, let me tell you guys this. If you want to make money in synthetics, use trendline strategy or demand and supply. That is the strategy you can use to make money in synthetics. Yeah, plus price action also, that is good if you have mastered the patterns. But if you want to make money, use trendline strategy in synthetics here. So this is it, and I'm going to use the trend line strategy. So for the trend line, for it to be valid, I'll keep on telling you guys this. There have to be three touches, and you are going to go. So 3 touches, this is what I mean. Let's say this is where's this here? Let's say this is your first touch. I'm going to keep on repeating. Second touch, then your third touch happens here. So this is where you are going to draw the trend line now, like this. Your trend line should not be like this. This is going to give you wrong signal if you are to draw such a trend line. Let's say, let me show you guys an example. Guys, like the stream please and subscribe to the channel. Let's say this is your trend, or this is your market. Now I don't expect you to cut out this. You don't need to draw it like this, meaning this is going to give you a wrong signal. You see, once you do this, but what you need to do now in this kind of market is to, let me remove this first. Then for the upper trend line, this is going to be here. So now have you seen what is happening here? So you just wait for this to happen and you buy from here, from this touch again. So that is it. Guys, like the stream and subscribe to the channel. Like the stream and subscribe to the channel. So Chintan Patil is saying, can I copy your trades so that I can make small amount of money? Yeah, it's okay. You can check on those links on my description. Either on my X, I will be sharing my personal trades with you. Connect with me on Twitter. That is X. I have 10K there. So that is my account. I have a blue tick on it. It's verified. So you can check it out. Let me first come back, guys. Let me come back. So I wanted to just let me see if this is okay like this now. So let us continue with our trade that we were analyzing. Guys, subscribe to my channel, like the stream, and comment on any of my videos. So let me finish up with this and I end the stream. Then I come back in the night and we analyze synthetics again because the market is going to close today. So this is going to be, this is what we are going to wait for. So that is 24 hours time frame. So I'm going to show you guys what this is. You see, so that is the pair I'm trying to analyze. So this is the first touch, guys. I'm going to analyze this pair. Now what we are waiting for is the third touch. Yes, it can happen here, any. So we shall just wait for the third touch to happen. But this is going to be our, let's mark out our zones. Where you see a touch, you have to mark out that area. Where you see a touch, you have to mark. Or let me just copy this. Are you guys seeing what was happening here? So once it resists here from this zone, let's say it resists from here, then we shall just wait for this to happen. Either this, then it. But for now, it's still a downtrend here. It's still a downtrend. This can also happen. That can also happen.